This is where we started out, wanting to take off the hand wheel bushing. And this is where we stopped for a while and did some cleaning. But this video has pivoted, and here is where we're going to spend the video. Working on the dog, the feed dog. Cool, huh? In order to remove the hand wheel bushing, I have to remove this. There are two screws, one here and one there. There is a pin that goes through the bushing. We're going in for the clean. Here's another look. So the ideal tool here would be some kind of small little vacuum, which I used to have, but I don't seem to have anymore. But you know, I really don't mind this hands-on stuff anyway. There, I think we're pretty good there. Okay, I'm gonna get this feed dog out of here. There's our feed dog. There's our baby. Now it's already been cleaned. So what I've done is I was able to line that up a little bit better, and that's given me room, and I've been able to get it out that way. Don't think that's the recommended way of doing it, but nonetheless, there's our needle bar. So we've got the dog off, which is right there, and we got the needle bar out, and then we have this thing that goes up in there, and it's out too. So that's cool. I was able to get that screw out from behind here. You can actually see my finger there at the top of it. But anyway, that screw is out, and it has loosened up the needle bar. Now what I need to do is take this complex off down here, and then the needle bar will slide right out at the top and it'll come apart. So let me just get my little screwdriver. Let me turn this a little more. Okay, there's a screw there. Now you got to hold on to it because there's the screw. It came out. So I'm just going to put it right there in the towel. There's a jib in there, and I thought I was able to get it out, but there.